In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started using ChatGPT for whatever you need it for. The first thing you need to do is go to chat.openai.com. I'll leave a link in the description to make it a little easier for you. Here you'll be prompted with either logging in or signing up, or you'll probably want to sign up and create an OpenAI account. Once you create an account and go back to chat.openai.com, you should be met with the screen something along the lines of this. I do have ChatGPT Plus, so that's why mine says Plus, and it's also why I have access to ChatGPT 4. And this interface is very simple. All you have to do is send your message and it will respond. And that's literally it. You can simply type anything like write me a list of 10 facts about the eastern box turtle. And then it will provide you with exactly what you asked for. And you can adjust this and ask it anything else you want in response to that, or you could, if you're not happy with the response, you can also click regenerate and it'll generate 10 more facts. Some of them might be duplicates, but in general you can just always click regenerate and it will try again. Essentially, if you would like some ideas of what you can use ChatGPT for, you can go to platform.openai.com/examples, which I'll also leave in the description. And here they have several categories of use cases and examples of things you can do with ChatGPT that are very simple and can give you a lot of ideas and spark ideas and inspiration for what you want to use ChatGPT for, because it's a very powerful and influential tool as of late. Now, whenever you link a billing method, you will be charged for using ChatGPT or their API in my case, and you do have some cost, but as you can tell, it's pennies per day, and I use ChatGPT every day quite a bit, but it's quite cheap depending on the model you use. But generally speaking, you're not gonna have to worry about breaking the bank right now using ChatGPT, but that could always change in the future. Who knows what the pricing will be in a year from now. And if you're ready to get a little more advanced, you can navigate to the playground mode, where you can go to the complete legacy mode on the right, and then you'll be met with all these other more advanced options, which I can make a video talking about more in the future.